Hi, I'm Suresh from WebNMS IoT division. Today, we're going to see what are the offerings from WebNMS and how WebNMS is helping remote asset monitoring during this pandemic situation. Before we get into the product briefing or the real-time asset monitoring, I would take a quick minute to tell about WebNMS. So WebNMS was founded in 1996 and we are part of Zoho Corporation. So WebNMS was offering telco as NMS and EMS applications to monitor, manage their network elements all across this 15 years of our experience in that. And then Vantage Engine is one of the division of Zoho Corp offering the IT infrastructure solutions like ITOM, ITSM, help desk, desktop management, you name it, we have a solution for IT infrastructure. And obviously, Zoho, you all know about it. Zoho, we have complete 45 stacked applications to manage, operate your office, everything online. I hope I don't need more introduction on Zoho there. So let me jump into WebNMS. So WebNMS, as I said, we've been into the industry for the last 20 years. I would say 20 plus now. So we've been deployed all across the globe with multiple instances running for various use cases, SNMP simulator or NMS and EMS application. And still it's being used by most reputed clients across the globe. And as we evolved in the technology, we thought what could be the next that came up IoT here. So what are we trying to do in IoT? So IoT is Internet of Things. We all know about it. So how and what WebNMS is offering is what very interesting. So out of these years of experience, we understood that WebNMS should give a bundled solution to its customers. So rather than buying hardware, installing the edge from different client, having application layer from a different client, having a business layer, or adding any other component to be multiple clients. Rather than that, we're trying to bundle a solution such a way that it at least can kickstart your business process. So if you see here, we have our own Edgex that can be installed on the RTU, that is gateway, which can talk to devices in Modbus, analog, digital mode, or few other vendors that we have onboard into the product. We have templates built for various products within the product so that you can just plug and play these devices and can be visualized data within minute or maybe within an hour or so. So RTU helps you to collect the remote data with the edgex. Once the data is collected in the edgex, it's pushed to the WebNMS server. Now, to support the clients on different prospect, we have on-premise and we have also cloud compatible. So on-premise version of WebNMS can be installed on any client location in data center, and the data from RTU can be pushed into WebNMS for data storing, data visualization, building dashboards, reporting, handling its complete fault management into one single application. Let's see how that been done in WebNMS. And alternatively, the same functionalities also can be pushed into cloud compatibles like Azure or AWS IoT. So for people who want it as a cloud-based application. So moving forward, how and what are we offering as a complete stack of product? So as I said, we have Ajax that can talk to sensors to collect data, and then we have the application layer, which helps you to store data, receive data via MQTT and HTTP, and then store it in the local server, crunch the data, give you standard dashboards, reporting functionalities, give you insights on your business process, show you the real-time alerts and monitoring with that. And we haven't stopped there. We help you to push this data to your business layer so that the continuity of data has not been lost anywhere. Rather than you having multiple silos of application, WebNMS can offer you one single connectivity between your end sensor data to your business layer. And not only that, we have also integrated to your operations team. That is like it can be integrated with your work order management, or we have tightly integrated with our WebNMS work order management, which automatically converts alarms to work orders can be assigned to technicians. So this would help you to do a lot of operational maintenance activities within the same platform. So, and if we're talking about edge connectivity is the key part where data collection is happening. So what are we offering on the edge? So in edge, we have a software stack which is installed on any Linux based or RPI or any Linux boxes. So helping you to do bidirectional communication, that is not only monitoring it, you can also manage the devices. Two, it's real-time data monitoring. That's any real-time alerts can be done or received weaponized on the fly. And three, it's conditional based monitoring. That is like based on the alert, you can do certain conditions. Like based on temperature, you can either turn on your HVAC, turn off your HVAC, or any other conditions, the business conditions are being locally stored for quick decision making, so that it saves amount of time, energy, and cost in terms of business impacts. That's a huge advantage of having edge on the edge client on the RTU part. So now, what are we offering in the market? So WebNMS offers you as IoT as a platform that is like allows you to have a vanilla version of the product with pre-built capabilities. Unlike other platforms, we give you pre-built capabilities of dashboarding, reporting, FCAPS module, allowing you to customize each and every module in the product, so that either you can customize the existing vertical into deeper versions or take a vanilla version of the product. Keeping these features available, you can build your own version of your product. So our offerings are industrial IoT, which helps you to monitor various assets in industries like CNC machines, health, SPS machines, production line monitoring, finding quality check of your products, and more like water treatment plants, energy management for factories. So these have been done. If you have real-time use cases, you can always refer to our website www.webnms.com, and all these been listed out there. And followed by we have asset management, which we call remote asset monitoring, which would be the hot topic for the day, where we be talking about remote asset monitoring all through around that space. And we have another version of vertical called fleet management, which allows you to handle logistics, fleet management, and a lot more features. Not apart from track and trace, we have addressed EPODs, delivery points, reporting, driver behavior, hours of service, all these being captured into fleet management too. And utilities, where part of we have done for and water, energy, and gas as a part of entities. And this was more focused towards OEMs, where they can bundle the solution according to them, or as a community you can buy for smart metering, gas, water, or people do oil and gas can use smart metering for various use cases, which we can see as a specific or a separate slide or a separate video on that. And Smart City, we are leveraging a platform for people to build the complete command control center with the help of WebNMS, so that they can have multiple modules, multiple data coming in, so that they can have one single window for visualizing all these data. So what are we concluding for WebNMS is we have 5 different verticals that we are focusing on, and we can WebNMS offers you single integrated sophisticated platform for visualizing your data, allows you to have complete data from last mile sensors to your business layer. It helps you to have heterogeneous, that is, it's not only the hardware that we specified, we can also onboard multiple hardware into the same platform, so that hardware compatibility is being completely addressed to it, and then extensive customizing options. As you know, out of all these being packaged at a very economical price, where that is where Zoho is being targeted, that is where our strength in the market. So for further questions, please feel free to mail me at eval or iot-eval at webnms.com, or you can call us on the below number, or you can also mail me on the details given below. Thank you.